My window is right in front of this mini porch and there's stairs going up. And every time someone comes down, I just freak out a little bit and just freeze in my room. So awkward. Hey guys, it's Grace. I do not know how well you can hear me right now because my roommate is taking a shower, but I am in a new location once again. I feel like every time I talk to you guys, I am somewhere new, which just kind of exemplifies the crazy summer that I've had. But it is not summer any longer and I have returned back to school for the year and have a new place where I'm living. So this is the first time I filmed a video in a really long time. I'm very sorry for that. Again, this summer has been hectic. I will maybe explain in another video, but that is not what this video is about. This video is my senior year college apartment room tour. Lots of things. I got this apartment at the beginning of last year, signed the lease, and my best friend and another one of our friends and I are living here. We won't be doing a whole apartment tour today, but possibly at some point in the future. That may be in the works. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, check out my other videos. I'll put my dorm tour from last year, apartment tour from last year up in the cards. This is a much smaller room than that one was, so not a bad thing, but you can just look at that video as well if you'd like to compare them. Yeah, so I'm gonna jump into the video. Here is my door. You have lovely Bub Fussy on the door. Anyone understands that reference, I will be very happy and love you forever. And then you walk in, and here is my room. So, here is the back of my door. Hello. A nice full-length mirror. My roommate wrote that when we shared a room. All the stuff that I have been in on this side. This is so that I survive and actually do the things I'm supposed to. Lovely calendar. My bookshelf. A lot of this furniture is the same from my room last year, so you might recognize some of it. Got a lot of plays, got a lot of books, got some school supplies, and miscellaneous things that I don't have another place for because there's no storage. Here is my desk. Got all my stuff, my Mac, my typewriter. I lay out my clothes for the next day. That's just me. My sewing machine, my backpack, all that kind of stuff. That is nice because there is just a porch out here, and so I will put that out there on the porch. I need to sweep the porch before I do that again. This little sign I got from Etsy, my big old window, and this side of my room. This is my like altar kind of area, and all my herbs and all of the plays and musicals that I have seen. And then this tapestry is new because the one in our living room is mine. And that's the miscellaneous corner where everything goes that didn't fit anywhere else. Because again, no storage. This is my bed. And this is my art miscellaneous wall. And my closet. A baby closet that is smaller than the closet that I had freshman year, but it's okay. I'll give you one more overview, and yeah, I really like this room. It is a lot smaller than my last room, but it's actually kind of a good thing because, you know, downsizing and everything after leaving college will be a lot easier after having lived here. And yeah, there she is. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more. If you'd like to, you can check out my previous video on that side of the screen and my previous vlog on that side of the screen. And yeah, everything else is down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.